Gargaz Teethgrabber is a war boss of the Bad Moons clan. Once a shooter boy who used to feed the squigs of war boss Ogruk Gutwrecker. During the invasion of the hive world of Luteus Alpha, his boss decided to let him join his mob, having heard of him killing a commissar, which in truth was killed by his air squig. Hoping to take all the Prometheum loot out of Lutium, during the flight to the surface, Ogruk decided he wanted Gargaz's air squig, shoving him off the heavy bomber and nicking it, saying as war boss he gets all the snazziest loot. Surviving the fall, moving to the nearest orc camp, Gargaz crumped the Nob leader and took over his mob, leading him to the Umi base nearby to nick something to get to Gutwrecker's cruiser. Smashing the Bane Blade, Bastion of Valor, fighting no Umi fighters, landers or anything. Teethgrabber left his boys behind, stumbling into the lair of a bunch of bug-eyes calling themselves the Cult of the All-Seeing Emperor. Crumping the Patriarch, causing the weirdos to run away. Gargaz faced the beakies known as the White Scorers within the Luteus Alpha base, goring up their chaplain. Confronted by the Tin Boy, Auric What's-His-Face, the yapping git for all his Daka couldn't stop Gargaz from crumping him, moving on to nick the beaky Thunderhawk, which he used to reach Gutwrecker's cruiser. Crashing into the cruiser and smashing up any git in his way. After crash landed once again on the surface, Gargaz had a proper orky scrap with Ogruk, who was riding a massive stomper. Beating the snot out of Gutwrecker and reclaiming his air squig, Gargaz now rules the Wild of Teethgrabber, shooting Daka at anyone who thinks they're hard enough.